What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money fast with Amazon FBA. Now, this is a method where we use online arbitrage. So if you guys want to go do drop shipping and get your Amazon account suspended, or do some MLM scheme where your friends get scammed, go do that, because that's going to be the fastest way to make money, but you're going to not build a real business. If you want to build a real business and still make money fast, consider doing online arbitrage. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy that I use. I think it's the highest percent success method to find both profitable product and fast selling product. So let's dive into this. If you guys don't know who I am, my name's Avery, aka Roma the Roamer. It's my goal to travel the whole world and help 100 people quit their job. I'm the host of Miami Sellers Conference, and I've sold over 4 million on Amazon. And this method that I'm showing you is a method that I learned this year. I have tons of friends, literally fucking children, that are like 18 years old, using this method to sell 300 to 500,000 plus a month. This time of year is insane for product sales. E-commerce sales in general are insane. So if you guys do want to start this business model, now is a great time. So let's dive into it. I'm going to show you my technique.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential.
So first, you're going to go to Amazon.com and you're going to search for Nike products. Okay, so the reason why we start with Nike, you could also start with Great Value. There's tons of other brands you can look up, but we know for sure that Nike does not sell wholesale to most people. I don't know a single person that Nike sells wholesale to. If you guys know who Nike sells wholesale to, hit me up, because I want to land a wholesale Nike account. But these are great products to start, especially these winter products here. But the purpose is not to find a profitable product on this main page. The purpose is solely to find other Amazon sellers' storefronts. I'll show you what I mean. So click on any product. It literally doesn't matter. Don't worry about the profitability of the exact product. And now it's going to show you all of these other Amazon sellers on the side. And I use a Chrome extension called Seller Amp. And this allows me to easily look at other Amazon seller stores. So I know that all these people that are selling Nike don't have wholesale accounts. Therefore, they are doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage. They're most likely doing one of those business models. And I'm also going to make sure the Amazon seller is not a huge Amazon seller, because if they have a ton of reviews, they're probably some wholesaler or liquidation type website. So we have Fitline Supply selling 600. He's got 613 reviews. We have Premium Athletic with 40 reviews. So 40 reviews, guys, don't let 40 reviews make you think that it's a super small store. I have friends that have less than 100 reviews doing millions a year on Amazon. So 40 is probably a good place to start. 74. So these guys aren't huge. If they have like 1,000 plus reviews, then that probably means they're a wholesaler. And you don't want to look at wholesalers for this model, because the whole point is to find other people doing online arbitrage, so we can find the products that they're flipping via online arbitrage as well. Okay. So I'm actually going to start with a product that I know is profitable, just to give you guys a good indication of what a profitable product looks like. So here we are on this Kermican Rich supplement. And again, we're going to use this Seller Amp Chrome extension, and this shows me all the stores. Just like on the regular Amazon page, you can see the reviews. We can see that this person has 33 reviews. This person has 50 reviews. So we'll click on K&K Global. They have 33 reviews. So they're probably just an online arbitrage person making tons of money from their living room. And now what we're going to do is look at the products they have for sale. So this is called storefront stocking. So it's going to sort the products they have for sale according to how fast they sell. So it's literally showing us their best products first. Okay, so now what we can do, this is really simple, guys. I'm here in Barcelona, Spain. So when I use this method, I have to open this up in the incognito browser. But we're actually going to Google their products and see if we can find them for cheaper on other websites. That's literally how simple this method is. It's all about finding fast-moving products on Amazon that are selling for massive profits. And we find these products by looking at other people's storefronts, like I just showed you. And then we Google the products and see if we can find them on Kohl's.com, Sephora, Ulta Beauty. There's all these different websites where we can find it. So now I'm just going to go through these and I'm looking for the same product at a discounted price. Now, real quick, if we go back to that person's storefront here, again, it's going to show all their fastest selling products. It'll also tell you the max cost. So this is currently buy boxing for $50. So we can probably sell this for around $50. And the max cost is $30. That means if we can find this for $30 or less, then we can buy it and still make at least a 20% ROI. What does a 20% ROI mean? That means if you spend $10,000 on a product, let's say 10,000 would be a little bit aggressive, but let's say we bought $1,000 worth of this product. That means we would get $200 in profit. So if we spend $1,000, we're going to get $1,200 back. Therefore, we're getting $200 in profit. So I'm going to be looking for products that are cheaper than $30.23 on the Google search results. Okay, so here we are, $68 on Kohl's, $68 here. Now, keep in mind, especially with supplements, a lot of times the sizes won't match up. Here it is on Walmart for $26.35. This is 1.69 ounces, 50 milliliters. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is currently on sale. It's usually $35. So that's always a good sign when it's on sale because that means that you're getting a deal on it and that deal might not be around forever. And it's just good to be able to get products on deals because when the price goes back up on Walmart, your competition won't be able to buy the product, but you'll already have the product in your stock. Okay, so 1.69 ounces, 50 milliliters. Let's verify that this is the same on Amazon. As you can see, it's 1.69 ounces. We can also open up the Amazon link here. So we use 2 Chrome extensions. We use Seller Amp, and we also use Keepa. Keepa is like the software that you need as an Amazon seller. This is like if you don't have Keepa, you're not going to be successful. And I don't have a Keepa affiliate link. I'm just putting that out there. Keepa tells you the price history of the product and it tells you the demand of the product. So here's Keepa. This purple line on Keepa tells us the price. So you can see the price goes up and down over time. We have a beautiful sales rank. This is between 2,500 and 5,000. This sales rank, this product is cranking. Now, I do like to use Seller Amp because Seller Amp is going to give me an estimated sales for this exact product. This is going to sell 2,000 on average, 2,000 give or take per month. Now, this is just an estimate, but that's good. 2,000 is really good. Now, keep in mind there are 2 different sizes here. So that 2,000 in sales is split between these 2 different sizes. But here's a pro tip. You can actually go to Keepa, click on variations, and you can see how many variations of this product are there. And we can see that there's 2. And the one we're looking at that's 1.7 ounces is actually the one with the most reviews. And whichever one has the most review counts is getting more sales. So this has 20% of the reviews. Therefore, it sells the most. So we can really expect that this sells a lot each month. Several hundred units, probably 1,000 plus. I mean, this is like the dominant product on this listing. Okay. Another pro tip I like to do is go to data and I go to offers. And this is going to show me all the competition and how much they've been selling. So we can look at their stock history. So Keepa actually checks the stock. And so this person went from 3,700 all the way down to 3,357. So he sold 801, and you can see what price he sold at. He sold these at $68. So this is a really good sign. Is he the brand? Quiver? I don't think that's a brand, but that's impressive. He's able to sell for that much. And you can also just scroll down and look at what other people are selling for. You can see people are hopping on and off. You can include people who have sold out. And so we see that this person adjusts their stock a lot. See who sold the most in the last 30 days. Yeah, so there's definitely potential with this product. We can also go to buy box statistics. So this just tells us who is selling most, who's winning the buy box most. The buy box is up here. You see this box right here where it says $49.99. You can click add to cart. That means you're buying from someone who owns the buy box. Currently, SP Market is owning the buy box. So if we go back down to Keepa, we can see that 15% of the buy box has been dominated in the last 30 days by Muvasa LLC. Their average price has been 34. That's not a good sign because on Walmart, we can pick this up for 25. But the good news is this guy, Latest Beauty, has 12% buy box share, and they're selling it for 51. And what's a really good sign is these guys aren't even selling Amazon FBA. These guys are just selling from their house. So this could be a really good product for Q4 if you guys want to pick this up. You guys don't even have to send it to Amazon. These guys are winning buy box just listing this from their house or warehouse. So they're buy boxing at $48, $51. So let's say we sell this for $48. And what can we pick it up for? Let's go back to Walmart, $26.35. So if we enter $26.35, you can see we'd make $8 profit. Now, keep in mind, if you ever purchase from Walmart using this technique, make sure you get a reseller's permit set up for your state because you do not have to pay sales tax if you're purchasing from Walmart. Now, if you're doing online arbitrage from other websites, all of them won't honor resellers permits. A lot of websites don't like resellers. Walmart doesn't care. So we're not going to add sales tax to this. And if we actually go down here, we can break down the fees, including what we're paying for prep. So I personally pay a lot for prep. I pay $1.85 and I ship all my products to a tax-free state. So this is factoring that in. Now, this is going to factor in the $1.85 charge. If we go to total fees, you can see Amazon's going to take $7.20 for their 15% cut. They're also going to prep, pack, and ship the item for us. So all we do is get the product and ship it to Amazon, and they're going to charge us $4.27 for that service. My prep fee I send it to a prep center that sends it to Amazon. If you guys want more information, just comment below. But I can't get into all that in this video. That's $1.85. And then inbound shipping, the shipping cost to Amazon is likely going to cost around 9 cents based on the weight of this product. So this is a good product. We found this like super fast. Right before I made this video, I literally was like looking for products and I found this product in like less than 10 minutes. So there's tons and tons of opportunity. One thing I would say about this product, if we go back to price history, I always like to think worst case scenario, what's going to happen if it sells for the lowest price that it ever sold for. So not too long ago, actually, if we go back, the beginning of November, this was selling for 33 for a brief time period. So let's pretend that this sold for 33. We'd be losing $4 per unit. So you do have to be careful, but I know that it's about to be Q4. Therefore, things are going to go crazy. In the past, this has good price history, 68 buy box. So if you're patient and you're selling FBA, I mean, merchants are winning the buy box. People shipping the product from their house are winning the buy box. So if you ship this Amazon FBA, Amazon always gives buy box to FBA people if you price competitively. So if you ship your product FBA, Amazon is not in the storage-based business. They're not about storing products for you. They want to sell your products. So if you send your products to Amazon FBA, there's a high chance that they're going to give you buy box and move your product faster. Okay, so both of these are good products. Feel free to pick these up, guys. This is currently on Walmart. I don't know if the sale will still be going on by the time you guys watch this video. We currently have somebody buy boxing for $49.99. So if we sell this for $49.99, we can make $9. And if you guys did want to merchant fulfill it, there's a lot of potential merchant fulfilling this Q4. Just change it to FBM, and your profit would be 16. Now, keep in mind that this does not include your shipping. So you'd make $16 profit, but you'd probably have to use $8, $5 to $8 for shipping. So you'd be left with anywhere from 11 to $8 true profit. Okay. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how you can make money fast. And if you guys are going to do merchant fulfilled, Amazon FBA is great. But if you guys do merchant fulfilled, you guys can truly like whoever takes action on this video, purchase these two products that I'm showing you here, list them on Amazon, compete at competitive prices, and you guys can make money in like a week. And so that's why I titled this video, How to Make Money Fast in 2022, because this is truly a quick method. You don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to get products from overseas in China. You don't have to set up relationships with wholesalers. You simply look up the products on Google. I know it sounds like a overly simplified method, but guys, this fucking works. Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you guys about a free training that I'm doing, teaching you how to do online arbitrage step by step. So if you guys are interested in building an online arbitrage business that does 5-6 figures plus a month, then click the link below. There's a free training where I teach you exactly in depth how to find products on Amazon, how to get ungated in all these different categories. And yeah, a lot of cool stuff. We'll be doing a live Q&A at the end. It is a live event, so click the link below, romer.biz/free training, and see you guys there. Enjoy the rest of the video. One pro tip before we head out of here, go to Rakuten.com. Rakuten is going to pay me $2,500 today because I've used their Chrome extension to purchase products on various websites over the last month. And this is a great place to just get free money. And so go to Rakuten and they'll literally pay you to shop on these websites. It's more consumer based. They don't really make this for resellers, but the fact that we're resellers spending tens of thousands of dollars a month on websites, we might as well take advantage of it. And they never cut us off. There are some cashback extensions that will cut you off. Rakuten's not one of them. And so this is a great place just to find, 8% back on Nike.com, 6% back on Macy's, 8% back. Like, this is ridiculous. It's Black Friday savings right now. Walmart has 5%. So on top of that, let's say that you want to purchase $500 worth of that product I just had out there, you would make an extra $25 in cold hard cash from Rakuten. So make sure to use Rakuten. This is also a good place to kind of start your search. If you want to go to Rakuten first and see what websites are having the most cash back offers, this is a good place to kind of get an idea for where you want to shop. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, go ahead and comment below. Hit that like button for the algorithm. Much love, and catch you in the next video. Peace out, guys.